Evan, talk to me. We're here on the orange carpet, Dances with Films. Tell me about your movie.
So my film is called Folsom's Run. It's a short documentary about what happens when you mix the wild wolf and the domestic dog, making the wolf dog.
I'm Steve Wostell.
I'm Paula Fikara. So this film is really about trying to raise awareness about this epidemic, as well as the plight of wolves in the wild. This animal, this species, is very important to the ecosystem.
Of course.
They're a beautiful species that is very misunderstood, and hopefully through this film, people will really get a good idea of who they are, and they'll leave more educated and hopefully want to help us in saving them.
And also learn a little bit about the exotic pet trade and how, well, not cool it is.